Hey there, everyone. Today, I've got something crucial to talk about, something that affects us all, but often goes unnoticed until it hits our wallets. Yup, I'm talking about rising oil prices. So, let's dive into how these surging costs can shake up our economy and, more importantly, our day to day lives. First off, let's chat about transportation. You know that feeling when you go to fill up your gas tank and your heart sinks at the numbers on the pump? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Higher oil prices mean higher costs for gasoline and diesel. It's not just personal vehicles that get hit. Think about trucks, buses, planes, and ships. When fuel prices go up, the cost of transporting goods skyrockets, and that's where we start to feel the pinch. Now, on to inflation. When transportation costs rise, businesses have to spend more to move their products. Guess what? They pass those costs right on to us, the consumers. Suddenly, everything from groceries to electronics gets more expensive. This kind of inflation can spiral, making everyday essentials tougher to afford. And it doesn't stop there. Higher costs for goods and services reduce our purchasing power. That means we're getting less for our money, and that can slow down the economy. When people can't buy as much, businesses see lower sales, which can lead to job cuts and a sluggish economic growth. It's a vicious cycle. But wait, there's more. High oil prices also impact government budgets. Countries that import oil spend more foreign currency to buy the same amount of oil. This can lead to trade deficits and economic instability. For countries that produce oil, it's a mixed bag. They might benefit from higher revenues, but could also face inflation and currency appreciation, which can harm other sectors of the economy. So, what can be done? Investing in alternative energy sources is a start. The more we diversify our energy mix, the less vulnerable we are to oil price swings. Efficient public transportation and electric vehicles can also help reduce our dependency on crude oil. There you have it, folks. The next time you see gas prices climbing, remember it's not just a hit to your wallet at the pump. Rising oil prices ripple through the entire economy, affecting transportation, inflation, and even job security. It's all connected. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you next time.